Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Syahri. I'm from Sampang City. The second Ronald.
And my friend Muhammad Ronald Sakafikram, and I'm from Pasian, Pamekasan.
And I'm the last. My name is Irfan Hakim Maulana, and I'm from Camplong, Sampang.
Okay, now we will
do speech
about social media.
Social media. Okay.
Okay, let's see
To the video.
Okay, good day everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Today, together with my group, we will talk about the role of social media for students. Okay, first, let us imagine something simple. When you wake up in the morning, that is the very first thing you do. I mean, what is very first thing you do? Many us will say that we pick up our phones and check social media. Maybe we open WhatsApp to see new message, or we scroll Instagram to check new posts, or even TikTok to watch funny videos. This proves that social media has already become a big part of our daily lives. Now, is this good or bad? The answer is it depends. Social media can bring many advantages, but it also has disadvantages. In my part, I would like to highlight the positive impacts of social media for students. Okay, the first positive rules is easy access to information. In the past, students had to go to the library, borrow books, or wait for teachers to explain lessons. But today, everything is just one click away. If you want to understand English grammar, you can find thousands of tutorials on YouTube. If you want to learn history, there are podcasts and digital books available. This makes learning easier and faster. The second positive role is building connections. Social media allows students to communicate not only with classmates but also with teachers, seniors, or even international friends. For example, many students use WhatsApp groups to share homework, ask questions, or discuss school projects. Some even join online communities like English learning forums or debate club on Facebook or many others. This makes students more connected and open-minded. Okay, the third positive impacts is improve personal skills. On Instagram and TikTok, there are thousands of accounts that share tips about education, motivation, and soft skill. Some accounts give advice on how to improve public speaking, or how to manage time, or how to prepare for a job interview. By following this account, students can develop themselves beyond the classroom. Okay, the fourth positive rules is creativity and self-expression. Social media provide a platform for students to express themselves. Some students create art, share music, or post short films, or yes, or post short films on TikTok and YouTube. This helps them to build confidence and explore their talent. Finally, social media can also be a source of impression, inspiration, and motivation. Many people share their success stories online, and students can learn from them. For example, we can watch video of successful entrepreneurs or listen to motivational talks on YouTube and animals. Okay, I think that's all about positive effect from social media. And the next part, we'll talk about the negative effect from social media. Okay, I think enough from me. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, before Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am speaker 1 and 2. Thank you, my friend. Now let me share the other side of the story, the negative of the story, the negative impacts of social media on students. Yeah. As we know, social media is very powerful, but sometimes too much power can become dangerous. For is especially true because they are young, curious, and often still learning how to manage their time and emotions. The first and purpose, the most common negative impact is education. Many students spend house scrolling TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube instead of studying for exams or doing homework. They waste their time online. Some even stay up late until 1 or 3 am watching videos. Because their focus in class, it lowers their academic performance. The second negative effect is fake news and misinformation. Social media is full of information, but not all of it is true. Sometimes students will believe rumors or misleading news. For example, during the COVID-19 pandemic, many false head tips spread on social media. Students who did not check the facts become confused themselves. Without critical thinking, social media can mislead us. Yeah. The third danger is mental health problems. Social media can create stress, anxiety, and insecurity. Why? Because students often compare themselves with others. For example, they see influencers or communities showing perfect lives, perfect modest or expensive, lavishly, student might feel that they are not good enough. Yeah. Not big enough or not beautiful enough. This can make time lost, confused, and become unhappy. Yeah. The fourth negative, Ankalas. Impact is inconvenient, Ankalas. Infinity, social media sometimes become a stall for bullying some students. Like negative comments, yeah, make fun on others or spread a embarrassing photos. Cyberbullying can be very harmful. It can destroy someone's reputation, confidence, and even mental health. The fifth problem is privacy and security issues. Many students do not realize that what they said online can be, the cause. Sharing personal data like address, phone numbers, or daily routines can be used irresponsible. People this can lead to serious consequences. Finally, social media can also reduce face-to-face interaction. Many students participating online instead of meeting daily. This can reduce their social skills and make them feel isolated in real life. I think enough. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you. Next, after listening to both the positive and negative sides, the important question is how should students use social media in a responsible way? The first strategy is time management. Students must control their time on social media. For example, they can set daily limits, use apps that remind them to stop scrolling or decide to finish homework first before checking Instagram or TikTok. If students learn to manage their time, social media will not control them. The second solution is of critical thinking. Before believing or sharing any information, students should check the source. Is it from a trusted website? Is it supported by the fact? By practicing critical thinking, students can avoid hoax and misinformation. The third is responsible use. Is using social media for education instead of posting hours on useless videos. Students can follow education account, watch tutorial or join online study group. Imagine if every student replaced 1 hour of random scrolling with 1 hour of English learning on YouTube. The fourth is digital attitude. Social media should be a place of respect. Students should avoid bullying or spreading hate. Instead, they should use polite language, encourage others. What we say online reflect who we are in real life. The fifth is balancing online and offline life. Students must remember that real friendship and real experience are also important. Meeting friends, joining community activities, and spending time with family are things that cannot be replaced by social media. To make it more concrete, let me give an example. Imagine a student who spends 3 hours every day on social media. If this student reduced it to only 2 hours and used the extra 3 hours to read book or join a sport club, the benefit would be enormous. The student would become smarter, healthier, and more confident. In conclusion, social media is just a tool. It can be a blessing or curse depending on how we use it. For students, the challenge is to take the good side: information, connections, education, creativity, right, while avoiding the bad side: addiction, misinformation, bullying, and stress. Ladies and gentlemen, let us be wise users of social media. Let's turn it into something positive for our education and our future. Thank you very much for your kind attention. I think that's all from my speech. Okay. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay guys, I think that's all from us.
Okay.
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 Yeah.
Thank you very much from your nice attention and see you again on the next video.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.